In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the camshaft timing magnet adjuster on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located right above the crank pulley. Let's get started. We're going to remove the intake. There should be band clamps on either side. We're going to use a flat blade screwdriver. Loosen the clamp. Remove the PCV hoses off of the intake. Remove the MAP sensor, pull back on the red tab, push on the black, pull straight back. Your intake might not look like this one, but it should have all of the same parts. Once everything is loose and removed, go ahead and remove the intake. Using a 1/2 inch chuck, we're going to get inside of the tensioner, pull the tension off, remove the belt from the pulleys. Remove the belt. Open the red safety lock for the connector. Push on the black button, pull straight back and remove the connector. There's that black button. Using a T27 bit, remove the 3 bolts. Remove the cam magnet, just give it a small pull. We're going to wipe off our O-ring with a clean rag, get rid of any of the dust, debris, or rust. Install the cam adjuster. Get the bolt started. Torque the bolts to 89 inch-pounds. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on, and close that locking tab. Install the belt. Pull the tension off of the tensioner and install the belt around the alternator pulley. Let go of the tension on the tensioner and remove your 1/2 inch. Make sure the belt is riding on all of the pulleys, on all of the grooves, and then on all of the flats. Install the intake, snug down the clamps, install the PCV hose, install the MAP sensor connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on, close that red tab. Snug down the clamp on the other side. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.